The problem is we have an E92 in a 335i or IS, and it has a very loud rattle from the exhaust. You hear it when you start the car, and especially when it's cold. This very annoying rattle on the E92, whether it's a 335i or 335IS from 08 to 13, is a very expensive problem to fix, because you can't buy just the exhaust flap that's making the noise separate. You have to buy the entire muffler plus a center connector and a forward connector in order to install the system. So the solution is the AGA Exhaust Rattle Repair Kit. And let me show you how it works. Here we have a couple of systems out of our cars, so we can show you up close what we're doing. This exhaust was replaced because it had a very loud rattle at 51,000 miles. You can see the play in the arm. And this exhaust was replaced not because it had a noise, but because we put a dyno system on it at 6,200 miles, so very low miles. But still, there is a fair amount of play, and this noise happens at all different mileages. The Exhaust Rattle Repair Kit comes with everything you need to do the installation. A Scotch-Brite pad to clean up the shaft, a machined silicon bronze bushing and clamp with an internal spring that goes onto the shaft with an internal spring, providing spring tension on the shaft, plus a spring tensioning clip that removes the rattle from the little connecting arm. So let's do the install. You start by cleaning up the mounting surface with the provided Scotch-Brite tab on both the exhaust side and on the shaft that is rotating. The machined silicone bronze comes with a spring that's pre-installed and lubricated already. You install the silicone bronze bushing by pushing it firmly up onto the exhaust shaft. A little bit of the grease will come out, and you want to have the screw pointing towards the rear of the car. Now, with the supplied 3mm Allen, tighten the bushing until it is snug on to the shaft. It has an exit hole for the condensation to exit out here, and also on the bottom. This prevents the carbon-infested water from further wearing out the bushing. Now all that's left to do is install the anti-rattle clip on the arm. It's fairly easy to do in the car. If you need more space, you can lower the exhaust down a little bit by removing the bolt on the bracket. But let me show you over on the bench so you can see what's going on. You put the hole in the tension clip over the shaft. Then rotate the clip around so it snaps onto the arm. The spring tension from the clip prevents the arm from rattling on the exhaust flap. Now that the install is done, it will be nice and quiet when you start the car. There's a reason why BMW spent the time and money to install this vacuum operated exhaust flap. During operation of the vehicle, the exhaust flap will close to create better back pressure and better performance and torque at low RPM. And on top RPM, the exhaust flap will open, giving a more free flow exhaust. We've seen just about anything in the book on cars coming in because the rattle is so annoying. People putting golf tees in the vacuum hose, which just leaves the thing open the whole time, to people zip tying, safety wire, coat hanger, the thing shut to eliminate the rattle, and even people that pull out the relay that activates the solenoid for the flap inside of the vehicle. None of these solutions are great because they take away the performance that BMW has built into your vehicle. This AGA Exhaust Rattle Repair Kit is another AGA product that saves you a lot of time and a lot of money not having to replace the entire exhaust system. To purchase this product, go to agatools.com. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe.